Hello guys, welcome to my first video of this channel. I won't speak much because my English is a little bit not good. Temporary, I live in Germany, so I'm learning Germany. Before my English was so good, and now I've been here for 6 months and I'm trying to learn Germany and it's a little bit mixed. So today I have bought an SEIKO SRPC57 K1. I have ordered it from Amazon and when it came I have opened it, and when I first look at it, it was so good watch. It is so good. I have already made it a little bit smaller because my arm is small. As you can see, it's not that good. It's not that big. And the first thing I have looked is this glass behind. It looks very good. I have no experience previously with watches, but it looks very good. This is mechanic automatics watch, and yeah, I have made a date, I have made the time, I have made the day, and all good. When you want to make a time, you take 2 times on these. When you want to make date and day, you make only 1. Yeah, it is so easy to work with this watch. Here is a Kyle and here is arrows. I don't know how much can you see, but I'm recording with my phone now. Yeah, looks very good on hand. Very good. Another interesting thing is this can be moved. It's for divers, but I don't plan to use it as a diver, sorry. And yeah, that's all. Here is my spare metal for band, but I have made 3 out, and here I have made it. You can also make 1, 2, 3, 4. It depends on your hand. This is big or small. Yeah, looks very good. Very good. Here inside you have some manual instructions, some guarantee and instructions. I must say that you need to pay attention only on one thing. As I have seen in this usual manual, I have seen here. Do not set the date between 9 p.m. and 1 a.m. If you do so, the date may not change properly. It may cause a malfunction. It is written on 1, 2, 3 pages. So, I want to show you my tools that I also got it today from Amazon Germany. I bought it for I bought it this watch. I have bought this watch for 208 euros. Yep. I have ordered some tools for watch repair. I don't know, it looked so cheap and it's not that good. Yeah. I will put the link in description for my watch and for my tools also, but I do not recommend these tools because it's not good. It's my first time working with it. but as you can see here, I'll show you quick. As you can see here, this is so bad, so bad. I don't know, maybe you guys have some professional tools at home, but I bought this is my first set. So yeah, it's pretty much in it. I have used only this and this to make my watch shorter. That's it. I have some spare springs here. Way too much for 20 euro. I have paid for all of this 20 euros. I don't know still for what I can use all of them, but in the time I'll find out, but not on this watch, because for me it's expensive. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I recommend you buy this watch. I have been in store, looked for others, but for me this is so good, and I have looked, the price was 299, now is 208, and I have bought it. Thanks for watching, guys.